Next question says, any model is based on making assumptions because of what? And so the reason in any model that we're talking about, you'll often hear the words ceteris paribus thrown around, and that just means holding all else equal, and that's an assumption, is because that economists want to understand economic concepts through models, and the only way we can do that is to build very controlled environments or models in which you can isolate changes in certain things to a set of specific variables, rather than in the real world, where if you wanted to, there's no model that simulates the real world, because there's so many things happening in the real world that can affect the results of a theoretical model. And so holding things constant and making assumptions is going to allow economists to simplify their depiction of real-world events in order to better understand specific things that are of importance to global macroeconomic or microeconomic understanding. And so that's going to be the main reason. Let's take a look at the previous tutoring answer. This is pretty open-ended, so there's not necessarily a 100% right answer. So previous tutor said that any model is based on making assumptions because models must be simplified for their efficient and productive utilization. Economic theories can be tested for accuracy only in the real-world environments or situations that mimic those. Treating the world like a laboratory is not possible, as various factors are beyond human control in nature. The risk of danger is also very high. Hence, economic models are created based on various assumptions for successful testing and derivations of economic phenomena. Economic models are theoretical constructs that describe economic phenomena through a set of variables, both endogenous and exogenous in nature, and the interaction between them which describes their quantitative relationship. It is a simplified framework based on mathematics or logic supported by empirical evidence to illustrate complex systems and explain the occurrence of different economic situations. Yeah, I think that's a good way of saying that the real world is complicated and we need to simplify it in order to understand certain economic phenomena. Good answer. Oops, caps lock's on. Good. Come on. Good. Oh, why is it all? Okay, well, I guess we're doing all capitalized today. Good answer.